Sabrina, how's it looking?
Hi Nick, well it's the first week of February. I would say it does look to be drier through the week ahead than what we have seen over recent weeks, but of course there will still be some rain at times, probably pretty persistent in places for many of us tomorrow. And then those temperatures at times through the week ahead will dip away, so there will be some snow in places, but really mainly for higher elevations. So today the Met Office released their next batch of statistics. That's looking back on January, and it did feel really quite wet, didn't it? We had 3 named storms that affected Wales in some form, but we did avoid the worst of the weather here in terms of the biggest impacts. So surprisingly, it was only 13% wetter than average, a little bit cooler too. That's when looking at the mean temperature. As for this evening, starting out fairly quiet. There's a little bit of patchy rain and drizzle out of the thickest cloud, and then overnight the rain will turn a bit more persistent, especially across the southern half of the country, some of that on the heavy side. Breeziest for exposed coasts and hills, and the cloud will help to hold those temperatures up in towns and cities, so lows of around 4 to 7 Celsius. Tomorrow then there will be more in the way of some persistent rain, again some of that on the heavy side. I think towards sunset that's when there's a higher chance for a little bit of sleet and snow, especially over higher ground down to lower levels. We do expect more in the way of rain for the vast majority. It will be a cooler day tomorrow, so those highs 5 to 8 Celsius, and again breezy in parts of the south and west, especially where you have some exposure. So Tuesday night into Wednesday, as those temperatures dive away, again there's the chance for some snow. We're talking elevations of around 300 metres plus. In heavier bursts that could drop down to lower levels, but in terms of accumulations, a slight covering possible. We're not expecting anything too extreme, and there will be the chance for a touch of frost too. Wednesday then we're in this little ridge of high pressure, so between weather fronts, so a quieter day to come. I think there will be cloud to start off, so quite a grey note, any of the early precipitation clearing, and then it should brighten up through the day. Still a few showers around, but I think for most of us we're looking at something drier and temperatures recovering somewhat. And then Thursday during daylight hours also looks largely dry, a bit more snow possible Thursday night into Friday. That's your latest, Nick.
Okay, Sabrina, thank you.